It's hard to talk to your little ones about skin color. We always feel that when the time is right, when there is an opportunity or a place that will lend itself, and we'll have that conversation with them. But the truth is that you'd rather steer that conversation yourself. You'd rather be the one to have that conversation with them than wait for some child in the playground or some ignorant adult on a bus to pass a comment that leaves your child feeling insecure and confused and hurt. So start early. Research shows us that children as young as 18 months of age are able to notice and observe differences in skin color and assign meaning to it. So it's never too early to start that conversation, to say that yes, my skin is brown and his skin color is different from mine, and that's okay. Take the time to notice and observe both the differences and the similarities in physical features. When your kids are playing with their toys, oh, this one has a red hat, this one has a yellow shirt. When you're going for a walk, look at the different colors of different leaves. When you see some dogs in the park, oh look, this dog is hairy, this dog isn't. Just by talking about the different aspects of all the things that they come across in their daily life gives them a sense of differences exist and that it's okay. There will be times when you're with your child at a playground or in the park, at school maybe, and another little 3-year-old or 4-year-old will come up to you and say, how come you're so brown? Or comment on this color of your skin, because that's what's been passed down to them. Children make observations. It's like saying that the car is red, or he's wearing a yellow shirt. Sometimes it's just that, it's just an observation. So take it like that. Try to leave your own baggage at the door. The best way to deal with it is to put a positive spin on it and say, yes, we're brown. Isn't that lovely? We have such a gorgeous skin tone. Approach a situation with positivity. Remember that your children are watching you. They're observing all the time, and how you handle a situation is how they're going to learn to handle a situation. At some point, your child is going to come to you and say, how come I'm brown? Where did I get my skin color from? And honestly, the simplest explanation and the only explanation is because of our great-grandparents and their grandparents before that, whoever lived closer to the center of the earth, closer to the sun, had a darker skin color. Those who lived further away from the sun had a lighter skin color. Think of the day that you go and play at the beach. When you spend a lot of time in the sun, you're going to come across a few shades darker. And isn't that lovely? Isn't it lovely that we all have such beautiful shades to us? Expose them to different types of books, games, food, different types of people from all walks of life. Because the more they experience, the more they see that the world is made up of so many different types of things and different types of people and different thoughts and opinions and colors and food and experiences, the more they realize that it's okay to be different. That's what makes us special. We can't control other people's reactions. We can't control somebody passing a negative comment on our child. We can't protect them from that. But what we can do is we can teach them to love and accept their own skin color. We can teach them to take pride in who they are, because that's what makes them them. It's what makes them special. It's what makes them unique. And the more we teach them to practice love and kindness and acceptance towards themselves and others, and the more people that do that, that's what will change the world, one little child at a time.